So whenever you lose, you have to know that you will win immediately again. కొంచెం టైం పట్టొచ్చు. It could be the next day or it could be a few next year. It will just take time. మన పని మనం చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. తర్వాత డెసిషన్ అనేది మన చేతుల్లో లేదు. Sometimes it is your day. Sometimes it is not your day. So winning or losing, take it onto your stride and move on.